The market finally takes its foot off the gas and gives us the pullback day we've been looking for. Now it's fading after hours. Is this going to be all the pullback we get? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so in yesterday's video we talked about the market tracing out an ABC pattern down off the highs, targeting 4660 for our A wave down. And that's exactly what we saw today. The market pushed down to about 4660 before bouncing, and then has faded back to that level after hours. So now we have to ask ourselves, is this just the A wave down, or is that all the pullback we're going to see? I'll get into that in just one second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, quick housekeeping note. If you are part of my chat room group, which you'll find out about at the end of this video, I will not be in there Thursday and Friday of this week as I will be out camping. I will have cell signal, I believe, from those places, so I will be able to provide an update. I will have a video for Thursday morning, but not one for Friday. Okay, guys, so the market pushed down after hours now and is hovering at that 4660 level. This is a really important support level, and we're going to take a look at the charts to see why. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1 hour futures chart. And as you can see, they sold it down into the open today, drove it down to that 4662 level before bouncing up, and then after hours brought it down under 4660, basically right to our C wave target for A to complete the A wave, we believe. Now they can still push this a little bit lower, but if they break through the 4552 area, that is pretty critical. If you look over here to the left, you'll see a group of bars right here that are providing support for this move down. If they break down through these bars, okay, there's nothing there. It's a free fall down to about 4620. All right, so they really need to hold the support level tonight and then start the bounce up, which it looks like they're trying to do right now. And if they can do that, all right, then we need to watch how they bounce up out of here to see what kind of wave structure we're getting. Now, typically, a wave 4 pullback would target the 382 retrace of the high, and that would be about 45.75. However, I don't think we have much of a chance of seeing that level. It's possible. It definitely can happen. But given the depth of the A wave currently and how this traces out with an A, B, and then C equals A, it puts us almost exactly on this 46.20 range, which is the 236 extension, or retrace, I'm sorry. And that is the minimum pullback that you can see for a qualifying pullback. However, I'm not sure we even see this C wave down. The biggest reason for that is if you look across the market, you'll see that other indexes like the IWM are ready to run, and the VIX has completed a structure that looks like it's getting ready to pull back. So there are indicators saying that this could very well be the bottom of this pullback, and we could go to all-time highs from here. So how do we know if we're going to do that or if we're going to come to this B wave? What we're looking for is the structure of the rally off the low. If it is a clearly corrective 3-wave structure up into this B wave target, which is 46.85 up to 46.91, that's the 50% retrace up to the 61.8 retrace. If it stays within this area and it's a clear corrective move up, then we would expect this C wave down. We would expect them to break this support and hit this C wave target down here at this next support level at about 46.20. And as I said, I don't think we're going to get much better than this for the pullback if we even get this. But if we get a 5-wave structure out of here, okay, that looks like an impulsive rally, and it continues to break up through this 46.92 area and higher, then we are looking at new all-time highs and starting the rally towards 4,800 sooner than later. So that's the reason that today we pretty much bought the low down here, and then we sold half of it up here on the bounce for about a 10% gain. Nothing to write home about, but we did get the bounce just in case they did decide to fall down lower. So we're holding a half position here and looking to re-add that half, assuming we get confirmation of this move up to capture that move towards 4,800. So really, the key will be, one, they need to hold 45.52 overnight. That's the very first thing, the most important thing. So far, so good. They came down into the 45.58 area and bounced, and it looks like they're starting to try to take this up out of there. The second thing we need to do is watch how they rally up out of here overnight, assuming they do. A 3-wave structure that's very corrective and overlappy and choppy that targets this area. We'll look for the C wave down after that towards this 46.20. a 5-wave structure that's able to blow through this 4685 target or this 4685 to 4691 resistance zone. If they can blow back through that, then it's likely we're heading back to the all-time highs and towards that 4800 number. All right, guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. All right, it'll bring you over to Facebook. Now, you do have to get approved to get into my Facebook group, but the only thing I ask is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below, come on over to Facebook, and I'll get you in the group. All right, and then I get a lot of questions about this, so pay attention here. Hit this featured button in the group, okay? It's right here in the middle tab. You click on that, and you scroll down, and you'll see a link to my documented trades. And this tells you every trade that we've made on the channel, so you can see how we've been trading since I've been running this channel. It's been very successful. And if you scroll down just a little bit farther, you'll see a link to my Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel. I'm on there all day during market hours, giving real-time market updates, answering your questions, and I give out my buy and sell alerts, including all of the parameters you would want on those, like strike price, expiration, target, stops, all of those things. It's an incredibly talented group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and it is an awesome place to improve or learn trading. So come on over and let's make some money together. All right, guys, so our key takeaways for today. First and foremost, they got to hold 4652 support. Assuming they can do that, then we can start to look at the bounce up out of that support range and find out what kind of rally is taking shape. If it is a clearly 3-wave corrective rally into this 4685 to 4692 range, okay, then we are looking at a B-wave bounce and should expect C down towards that 4620 region for an excellent buying opportunity. If, however, it is a 5-wave structure that blows through this 4692 area and keeps moving higher, then we can expect to take out the all-time highs and start our march toward 4800 sooner rather than later. Okay, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.